Sometimes when you go to sleep, you go on a little walk, and sometimes you talk about a place.
I don't remember.
That's why we're gonna go there, so you can remember. Sharon's gone. I need your help. I'm not okay. Please hurry.
Fire started 30 years ago.
Sharon! I don't know what's happening. What's going on here? This place is completely cut off.
Only the Dark One opens and closes the door to Silent Hill.
Hey!
Where is she? I'm trying to find my wife.
She looks exactly like Sharon.
Why?
Come on, hurry! He's coming!
What's happening? Sharon!
To find your daughter, you must face the darkness of hell.
It's okay, baby. Mommy's coming.
Sometimes you've got to make sacrifices, Lara.
If I don't survive, none of us will.
Hi guys, welcome to the show. I'm Beth Lapidus. We are very thrilled today to welcome our guest. He's an award-winning, Oscar-nominated actor, Willem Dafoe. Welcome. What is the experiment?
I just feel like someone that makes things with people. You have to put yourself in a methodology or a path or a process that sends you there by mistake without you knowing it.
Do you have known triggers?
Good costume, a good mask, an accent, a way of moving, that makes you feel different or takes you away from yourself for you to be someone else or imagine you're someone else or entertain a different set of impulses. All performing is always finding the right balance of control and abandon.
At once to watch you is to see you disappear and appear.
Well, that sounds beautiful.
It is a beautiful thing to watch you, something very beautiful. And thank you so much, Willem Dafoe. Thanks so much for listening. You can find us on iTunes, where we love you to subscribe and rate us and comment. I'm Beth Lapidus.